Yeah. Good. Thank you very much. Right? Yeah. So this arrived today. Let's open it. That's the new Mavic Air. Extra battery. Some stuff. Okay, so let's get started. So I chose the Onyx black color. Let's see what it looks like. The box is so small. Oh wow. So that's the first look. So I guess the Mavic Air is just inside this box. Very nice. Pretty solid, so it covers it quite good. Oh, so I guess this is the instruction manual. Oh, with some cables. Oh, so these are the propeller guards, set of 4, and some extra propellers, and the instruction manual that we're gonna read later on, of course. Ooh. The remote, wow, looks nice, clean and new. With no joysticks, but they're inside. We'll get to that later. How many boxes are there? So that is some accessories. Of course, the charger, most important thing to charge the battery. Oh, sorry. Here we go. See, you have 2 USB plugs, so you can charge the battery and you can charge anything else, the remote or something else at the same time while using the USB. And here you have some OTG cables. So, are those? Yeah, those. So yeah, for the iPhone and for the Android phones. And here you have the plug, the power plug for the charger. What do we have next? Oh, the charger for I guess it's the remote, USB-C and yeah, USB 3.0. What is that? Oh, those are the joysticks for the remote actually. Okay, so they were here. Or maybe there are some extra joysticks. I don't know, let's check. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing else in the box. Let's get to the joystick. Let's see if the joysticks are... Oh yeah, they are indeed hidden just here. So I guess you just unplug it, and screw it in a way. Yeah, it fits perfectly. Cool, that's nice. Very useful. Unscrew it, put it back, et voila. Perfect to put this in a pocket or in a bag so it doesn't break. Oh, and we can see we already have an OTG cable plugged in here, so that's useful. Cool, so the shape of the remote is approximately almost the same as all the other remotes without any screen, simple buttons, nothing special, frankly. But it's pretty much simple and efficient, so why need more? As for the drone itself, let's open and see how small it is. The box is pretty small. I mean, this is the remote, so you can compare the size of it. And it's pretty solid, so it covers it up for damage. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, it is nice. It looks nice in black. I think I made a good decision for the color. So let's try to pick it up. Okay, so yes, it is heavier than the Spark, obviously, but it's still pretty small. It looks so nice. That's the front with the camera covered. That's the back where you can see the sensors. Let's try to focus. Okay, so I have no idea how to oh yeah, I think it's like this. Let's try this out. Don't want to break it on the first day. Yeah, I think that's how. Yeah, so the back propellers fold up and the front just, wow. Yep, it takes much more space opened, but still pretty small. I mean, you can check the size of it. It's amazing. That's the controller again, precise compare. The body of the controller is almost exactly the same size as the body of the drone. Wow. So we already have a battery installed. Of course, no battery. And here we have camera protection that you just remove like this, or not. Okay, it looks to be stuck. Remove the clone before powering on. Yeah, so of course remember to remove the gimbal protection, of course, before every flight. But how do we remove this thing? Oh, okay, so you click on this, then you slide it up. To put it back on, I guess it's the same thing. You slide it in, then you push. Perfect. Cool. Wow, it looks so badass in black. Wow. Looks like a brand new car. But smaller. So yeah, to remove the battery, you have two things here. You just slide them from the sides. Here you can see it's red. So you just pull it off. Wow, yeah. The battery is heavy. The drone is really light without the battery. So to put back the battery, same thing. And you have to make sure that you push and that you don't see red anymore here. So you have to hear a click. Let's go do it. Here we go. We can't see any red anymore from both sides, so perfectly fits in. So as you can see, you have some sensors in the back, two in the back, two in the front, and two under. What else? Oh yeah, of course you have to unfold the small landing arms here, and make sure to always unfold them when you fly, because the antennas are just inside them, so you won't get much signal if you don't unfold them. So here you go, a full view of the new Mavic Air Onyx Black Edition. Really nice. Ready to fly and ready to shoot 4K videos.